Jeez.
Jeez.
Alright, let's try this again.
Alright.
Wait, no, just let me try again. Let me try.
Wait,
Just
wait,
let me try so I can
I'm
learn.
gonna show you.
Do I hold it on the bottom like this?
Yeah, you hold it like that, and then you face it directly at the sun.
Okay.
And then you take this and put that in the focal point.
Yes. Yes. Smoking.
That doesn't help.
I'm giving it some
You're trying to
oxygen.
heat it up. Like, there's plenty of oxygen.
Giving it extra oxygen.
Quit moving it.
I'm not moving it. You're moving it.
I'm
With your
moving as
mind
you are.
powers. You're moving my hand with your brain. Quit it. I'm trying to get it like evenly coated with hotness. That's good, right? It's working?
Sure. You want to puff on it before it goes out?
Done.